I am horrified. I'm horrified with what I saw. That Umrani is an animal, and he's not in the party anymore. But due to some misunderstanding and lack of experience, and special certain circumstances, he's working on our lands, which I hope will finish soon. I will tell Zulfikar, I will inform Zulfikar now. He's not in the country, nor am I. I'm not in the country either. I will inform him of when I see him of all that, and I hope action will be taken. An FIR should be filed against him. If it's not filed, it's not my son, because my son, it's because of those mahar of Gariya Seen, and he's in touch with all these people who always keep him out of jail and out of trouble. It's not us that we do that. So inshallah we'll do something, and I'm so sorry for this young man. Inshallah, when I come back to Pakistan, the first visit in Larkana will be to your house to see what happened. They are not people, they're animals.